presenting a pre-owned 2022 Toyota Avalon. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.